Hi everyone, welcome to my video. I'm going to show you how to create an electronic gradebook and to make items underneath the electronic gradebook for D2L Brightspace. First off, I want you to log into your shell. I'm already logged into mine, so I'm going to click, the first step is to click grades. After grades is loaded, click on settings. The next one is going to be, the first one is going to be personal display options. You want to make sure all three of the grade details are highlighted. The next step is to go down to the start page. You want to make sure Manage Grades is highlighted, then click Save. Next step will be Organizational Unit Display options. You want to make sure all three of the grade details underneath Student Display options are highlighted, then click Save. The next step will be Calculation options. You want on the grading system, you want to make sure Points is highlighted, then move down to Final Grade Released. You want to do Calculated Final Grade. Then grade calculations, drop ungraded item, and you click save. Then it'll be yes. You want to make sure you confirm it. Then go back to your grades homepage. Next, we're going to add a category. So I'm going to create a category. I've already created. So we're going to do week 1, and that's all you have to do is save and close. So we're going to do, you want to do that 5 times. So I've already done it the 5 times. So if we go down here, the next step is to add a numeric item to this week 1 that we created for the grade. So we're going to go to New, Item, click on Numeric, click on week 1. We're going to make this week 1 discussion. That's the name of the discussion grade. Come down to category. Since the other ones were created, you want to click on this one. This is the new one I'm created since I'm showing you how to do this. So you click week 1. Maximum grade points is 5 already. Click save and close. Then once you save and close to the one we created to show you how to do this, it's already created. So see, you have your category. So you save and close that. You can open that up. Then you have the discussion grade under it. After this, you can enter grades for people and stuff like that, and I'll show the students that they have a grade underneath this. And that's it. Thank you for watching my video.